In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix DoorDash scheduling not working. Let's get started. First, refresh the Dasher app, close the app completely and reopen it. Temporary glitches can sometimes prevent schedules from loading correctly. Next, check that you have selected the correct starting point or delivery zone. Tap on Schedule tab and make sure you are viewing the area where you want to dash. Available shift may appear in nearby zones instead of your preferred one. If no time slots are showing up, it may simply mean that all available shifts have already been claimed. DoorDash schedules are filled up quickly, especially in busy markets. Try checking again later in the day, as new slots often become available when other Dashers cancel their schedules. Another fix is to make sure your Dasher app is updated to its latest version, so head over to App Store or Play Store, search for the app DoorDash. Now if you see the option of update, click on it. You should also verify that your internet connection is stable. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data and then reload the schedule page. If you are getting an error while scheduling, try signing out of your Dasher account and signing back in. This can refresh your account information and fix syncing issues. You can also give a fresh restart to your device. While it sounds simple, a reboot often resolves app-related problems and improves performance. If none of these solutions work, contact DoorDash Dasher support. They can check whether there is an issue with their account, your market, or DoorDash scheduling system. And that's it. By following these steps, your problem will be resolved. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.